Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are solving 2sum, which is the first question on LeetCode. Given an array of integers num and integer target, return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to target. And we can also assume that each input will have exactly one solution. So let's look at some examples. This first example, we have an array of integers called nums, and we also have a target, which is 9. And in this case, we're going to return an array which includes 0 and 1 because as you can see here, 2 plus 7 is 9, so we're just going to return the indices, which in this case 0 and 1. This next example has 3, 2 and 4, and we have a target number of 6. As you can see, we have 2 and 4 here, so 2 plus 4 is 6, so we're going to return the indices 1 and 2 as the result. Okay, so for this problem, we're going to use a hash map that has a key and a value pairs. And first thing we're going to do is we're going to iterate through the array. And each time you iterate through the array, first we're going to check if the number at the index matches any key in the hash map. In the hash map, the key is going to be the complement number, and the value is going to be the index. If there's any complement number that matches the current number, then we're going to return the current index and the index in the hash map. Either after that, or if there isn't any number that matches in the hash map, then we're going to calculate the complement next. So the complement is going to be the target minus the number at the index. So in Java, it's going to be something like target minus nums at 1. And after we do that, we can add the complement and the index to the hash map. We can continue through the iteration. So let's actually do this using the first example. So we're going to start from the beginning of the array. And first we will check if the number at the index matches any key in the hash map. So first we're going to have an empty hash map. So there's nothing that matches with the number 2. So next we're going to calculate the complement. So again, the complement would be the target minus nums at 1. In this case, nums at 1 is 2, our target is 9. So the complement would be 7. And next we can add the complement and index to the hash map. So complement was 7, index of this number, we're currently at index 0. So next we're gonna look at index 1, and we can check if the number at the index, which is 7, matches any key in the number. So does 7 exist in the hash map, in the key? Yes, it does. So in that case, we're going to return the current index, which is 1, and index in the hash map, which is 0. So we can now return 0 and 1. Pretty simple. Let's look at another example just to be sure. So we're going to start from the beginning of the array, and the hash map is empty, so we're going to calculate the complement, which is target minus the number and 3. So we're going to add the complement and index to the hash map, so 3, and we are index 0. And next we're going to check 2. So does number 2 exist in the hash map in the key? No, it does not. So we're going to calculate the complement again, which is 6 minus 2, 4. So we're going to add the complement 4 and the index 1 to the hash map. Next one, or the last one, is going to be 4. So does 4 exist in the hash map in the key? Yes, it does. So in that case, we're gonna return the current index. So we're currently at 2, and also index in the hash map, which is 1. So we're gonna return 1 and 2. That's all. If you want to see the code solution, you can click on this next video or click the link in the description. Thank you for watching.